Well, let's get across today's markets with Edward Boyd. Ed, the lithium miners, they got absolutely hammered.
They sure did, Ross. Mining stocks, they slumped quite a bit today. Property REITs were down almost 1.5%. The bright spot on the market, though, was the energy sector, thanks to oil prices lifting 2% overnight. The market started the day flat, then began falling, finished down 0.42%. Gold miner Resolute was one of the best performers today. The gold price is currently about $60 off its record high. After a strong performance yesterday, the coal mining sector kept rising with Whitehaven the best of the bunch, and that surge is due to a fire breaking out at a large underground coal mine in Queensland, which is expected to restrict the supply of coal for several months. And Australia's largest oil and gas producer, Woodside Energy, lifted thanks to those rising oil prices. Now, turning to the worst performers, card payments company EML slumped. On Monday, it announced that it appointed US payments executive Ron Hines as its CEO. They've also appointed a man called Anthony Hines to the board. It's unclear if they are related. Medicine maker Mesoblast was down 2%, and casino operator The Star was sold off again, losing about 4%. And here's a look at some of those bigger lithium miners, how they performed today. Look, S&P Global Platts say the price of lithium spodumene has fallen below $1,000 a tonne mark for the first time since March. Prices are now almost 90% lower than their 2022 highs. So lithium companies got crunched. IGO, Pilbara Minerals and Mineral Resources all falling pretty sharply. And also, lithium developer Liontown Resources, well, it placed its shares into a trading halt today before announcing it secured $379 million in funding from the Korean multinational LG Energy. This boosts Liontown's cash balance to about $501 million, and it allows them to invest the money in its Kathleen Valley lithium project. LG, which is one of the world's largest producers of lithium-ion batteries, then has an offtake agreement where it will receive lithium concentrate from Liontown over a 15-year period. So its shares jumped off the back of that deal. And here's another quick look at Guzman Gomez, the Tex-Mex Aussie fast food company. Over the past week, you can see its shares down about 11.46%. They fell 8% just yesterday. Remember, GYG raised funds from investors at $22 per share. So when it listed on the market at an opening price of $30 per share about 2 weeks ago, the investors made a lot of money on paper. Its market cap then was $3 billion. Today, that's fallen to about $2.7 billion, and we know short sellers are targeting the company. One analyst we've spoken to, Ross at Morningstar, thinks GYG's long-term value is just $15 a share. And Ross, that's markets for the day.